Hi, I just wanted to give a quick overview of the two steps in this process for writing the research paper that are going to be different. And that's annotated bibliographies and topic outlines. So the annotated bibliography is a step that you're going to take when you do your research. You're going to look for 5 to 7 sources, probably start with 7 or more and then narrow it down. And once you find those sources, you're going to put in 4 components for each one. You're going to put the citation like you would for a works cited page. Then you're going to write in your own words a summary of that source, an evaluation of it, like why is it credible, and how are you going to use it in your essay and application. So the summary will be in your own words. You want to give the scope, like how long is this source, what's the credibility of the background of the source, a little bit about the source itself. What's the salient features? Does it have a good study in it? Does it have graphs? Does it have strong video evidence? Does it have expert opinion? And what's the main thesis or the main focus of this source? And then you want to move to evaluation. So how credible is it? Is it relevant? Is it timely? What's the author's background? How thorough is the work? Is it a large group that's being studied? Is it new? Does it have a good history? Those types of things. And then finally, the application part will be like, how will you use it in your essay? What points will it help you prove? So here's an example of it. This is color-coded so that you can see the 3 parts, the summary, the application, and evaluation, but you don't have to do that when you write it. You could also single space. I don't care if it's double space. And so you'll have the citation like here, like you would for MLA. The first part is just, a few sentences summarizing the source in your own words, and then an evaluation of it, and like being able to talk about what's important here, and then finally moving to how you're going to use it, okay? How you're going to incorporate it into your points that you want to make for your essay. And then after you do this, you're going to submit it on the link for Turnitin, and I'm going to review it. Then you want to, from that, make a topic outline. So you want to choose an order that follows logically, kind of decide like, okay, what are all the points I want to make here, and do I want to like sandwich some of the weakest points in the middle? And then later we're going to talk about concession and counter argument. You want to figure out where to put those. So here's an example of a topic outline, and again, this is really basic. It's not a thorough sentence outline, it's just topics. So like, let's say I was going to do racial profiling of Muslims in airports. That would be a good topic. These would be maybe some of the topics that come to mind that I think would be important to include. And so we're going to have an online discussion session where you post your topic and you try to get people to respond as to what types of things they would expect to hear in that research paper. Okay, and so hopefully this will be helpful to you. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that page. So you just want to do the racial profiling, topic outline, and annotated bibliography. And if you have more questions, let me know. Thanks.